Hello friends, I'm Melanie from MelanieCooks.com, and today I'll be cooking bone-in skin on chicken breast in the air fryer. So I'm cooking one. You can also cook two at a time. As long as it fits in the air fryer at a single layer, the cooking time will remain the same. So I need a bone-in skin on chicken breast and seasonings of your choice. I'm going to use salt, pepper, garlic powder, and paprika. So let's season the chicken on all sides. So I sprinkle it with salt, pepper, garlic powder, and paprika on one side. You can rub the seasonings in to distribute them evenly. And now I will flip it over and season the chicken on the other side. So again, just sprinkle the salt, pepper, garlic powder, and paprika. And again, you can just rub it to distribute evenly. And now let's take out the air fryer basket and put the chicken in the air fryer basket. And I'm going to put the air fryer basket in the air fryer. And now I'm going to set the temperature to 385 degrees Fahrenheit. And I'm going to set the time to 30 minutes. Now halfway through the cooking time, let's take out the air fryer basket and flip the chicken over. So it's so nicely browned on top. And I'll flip it over. And let's put the basket in the air fryer and let it finish cooking. Now the air fryer is done cooking, so let's take a look at the chicken breast. Look at that, it looks amazing. So nicely browned. And I recommend using an instant read thermometer to check to make sure it's cooked. The internal temperature has to be at least 165 degrees Fahrenheit. So just insert it in the thickest part of the meat and make sure it's at least 165. Yes, it's fully cooked. And if it's not cooked, then just put it back in the air fryer for an additional 5 minutes. Because some of these chicken breasts are larger than others, and larger ones take longer to cook. So let me take this out and put it on a plate. Wow, perfect roasted bone-in skin-on chicken breast made in the air fryer. It looks so good. And now let's try it. I'm so excited about trying it. See, perfectly cooked inside. Looks so moist. The skin is crispy, nicely browned. Let's try it. So tender and juicy. You're going to love cooking this chicken breast in the air fryer. For a free printable recipe and other easy air fryer recipes, please visit my website, MelanieCooks.com. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel, Melanie Cooks. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Enjoy!